Solomon, your training came in at the perfect time. With AI rapidly changing the job markets and replacing traditional roles, this is the best moment to start something of our own. Now, your clear and your practical guidance gave me the exact strategy that I needed to build my own web hosting business from the scratch. Now, you see, you simplified every step. You turned what seemed complex into something that I could confidently take action on. And this training is not just about learning, it's also about creating real results and financial independence. Now, I believe everyone should take advantage of this opportunity right now, because the world is changing fast and your program gives people the skills and the mindsets to stay ahead.